What's up, people? Welcome back to the boy Emax54, guys. If you haven't subscribed, guys, consider subscribing. Leave it, comment, share, and don't forget to tell a friend, subscribe, guys. Here, I wanna be starting this video. It's late actually in the evening. Today I wanna be showing you something, guys, amazing. This is the road taking me to where I wanna be showing you, guys. If in case you come across this my channel, one favor, I wanna be appreciating and I want to be really thankful. Today it's actually in the evening. I'm shooting this video right from the village, guys. Have a look where I'm taking you, guys. That is the actual place I want to be taking, and I want to be showing you guys what's going on. Let's go, guys. Have a look. The weather is good and atmosphere is present, guys. Here, let's go, guys. Now, guys, you know, sometimes it's good when we actually work together, but today, guys, it's gonna be amazing one because I wanna be shooting this video. The nature of today, guys, is a fantastic one because I've ever did such kind of video here, guys, but today I wanna be showing you guys where and when to start, guys. Have a look. That is the actual place I wanna be taking you, and I wanna be adventuring, guys. In case, don't forget to comment, guys. You know, when you comment, make me feel good. I really appreciate it. Have a look. These are the parts they have not yet planted, but they have already plowed. Have a look. This one is already plowed, and they're actually waiting for the rain. Here it is dry. Have a look. It's actually dry, and that's where I wanna be shooting this video from, guys. Don't miss it, guys, because it is going to be a fantastic one, guys. Now, guys, I wanna be using this route. Is the one taking me up to the top, guys. You know, actually it has been difficult, and it is difficult because today I've decided to adventure this place, guys, myself and me alone. I don't know if there is a road. We're gonna see. This is the path, but I don't. Oh, it is taking me, but it is the wrong direction. This one, I wanna be using it here. Let me use this path. Have a look. Oh, that is a goat, guys. It has been scared because it's an emergency, guys. First time seeing a goat from here, guys. On the other hand, this place is actually fantastic, guys. Have a look. It's fantastic, amazing, and welcoming, guys. You know, in Africa, guys, when you just see things like this, what I think sometimes is good, but wanna be adventuring it. Have a look. The sun, on the other hand, the sun is actually setting. Have a look. It's actually setting. And here, you know, there's no road, and wanna be making our path up to the top, guys. Up there, you wanna be seeing me in a while. Here, this is the path, and I wanna be using it, guys. You know, it's actually difficult. Have a look, guys. I wanna be showing today's rock days. Just recall, we usually use some of these parts here. I don't know if the road was closed. Don't know if it was closed. I've seen something. I want to show you. It's a lizard. Oh, there's already escape. Okay, you know what really make me so excited about this place is one thing. On top here, have a look. On top you're gonna see trees, guys. Yes, you're gonna see trees, but this is not like how can I put it? It's not a plain place, but it's actually on hills. But what really makes me shocked is how you rarely found something like this on top of the tree, guys. You know, sometimes it's attractive to see stone and trees growing on top of a hill. Have a look. This one is amazing. Our team we call it Mubuyu. Actually in Kiswahili, but in our language, even me have forgotten. The other side, have a look. This side, have a look. You know, here there's only one problem here. If you don't create your way, you may end up not knowing where you're heading, and actually you may end up losing the road. Here it is here, and it's actually in the tree. Have a look. Fantastic rocks sitting on each other. Actually, guys, you know, as you know, when you have been born, you have been raised, and the kind of actual environment that we have been passing through, it's a bit amazing, guys. Have a look here. Have a look. It's amazing, guys. Have a fantastic view of these rocks, guys. I'm actually in the middle, and I want to be finding my way to the top, guys. Have a look where. That is where I want to be finding my way. And you know, today in this video I'm alone, guys. I didn't move with my brother Don, but he's actually making the video. Have a look. This is actually what we call the African vibes, guys. Oh, I've seen some animal inside here, but I've already escaped, guys. Then there is something here. I don't know if they were lightening lights here. That is the plastic. I don't know who is sleeping here. You know, us we are usually very afraid of this, guys. Have a look. The vibe are just good and vibing. Okay, guys, I wanna be looking away for me to be on the top, guys. If I'll be on the top, it's gonna be amazing, guys. But if I don't find parts the way, there's also next round, guys. Next round I wanna be trying to go on the top, guys. But actually right now, let's try, guys. This is the way. Let's go. This is the way, and wanna be, it's a bit difficult. I wanna be trying to see if you can be on the top, guys. You know, last time we made up to the top, but today actually I don't know if I wanna be making to the top. You know, I want to go up of the trees. And if I don't go up, there's some animals there, guys. Have a look. It is enjoying the vibe. It has already escaped. Oh, amazing. In our language, we call them the Bihingus. They're enjoying the vibe. Have a look, guys. You know, I'm looking away so that I can do on the top, but it seems to be very difficult. Actually, it's making me look for an alternative. The other hand, it's making me to look for an alternative so that I can be on the top. But today, guys, it seems I have no kismat. Actually, guys, it seems I have no kismat, and I don't know what I wanna be doing. I don't know what to do because I wanted to be on the top, but eventually it's hard for me, guys. You know, I'm alone, and that's why it's getting harder and harder, guys. Actually, let's use this part, and I'm gonna be going back because I decided to come alone, and we have not met the owner. Oh, amazing. The vibe is welcoming. In case you want to visit such places in my village, guys, just tell me. Wanna be coming, guys. Wanna be taking you. Just tell me you want to visit my village. Wanna be taking you guys through. You wanna be enjoying amazing things in my village, guys. Okay. This is how it is. I'm gonna be meeting you next video, guys. No, just enjoy the vibes, guys, because it's a bit difficult. Have a look how the world is, guys. Fantastic view of African village life. Have a look. Just enjoy the move and enjoy the Latin, guys. Okay, guys, if in case you are new to my channel, guys, there's only one favor you can do for me: subscribe, comment, share and like, and don't forget to turn on the notification and tell a friend to subscribe, guys. Let's meet in the next video, guys. Village Manenos, guys.